Step 1. Take out the wipes and the case from the package. Step 2. Peel off any other screen protector from your phone. Step 3. Use the wet wipe, then the dry wipe, to clean the screen, and make sure the screen is free from dust. Step 4. Separate the front cover from the back cover. Step 5. Peel off the inner backing and snap the front cover on the phone screen. Step 6. Slide it to the back cover and press the sides to seal the edges. Step 7. Remove all the remaining backings. Step 1. Jam your fingers beneath the phone edges to separate the back cover. Step 2. Remove the front cover from your phone.